So hello everyone, today we see some problems based on percentage composition or percentage of different elements in a particular compound. So we know the compound means the combination of different elements in different ratios. Maybe they are in same ratio or different ratios, but their mass will be different. So the percentage of an element we calculate in the total compound. Okay, using the simple formula that for all problems we use this formula. So mass percentage of an element, mass percentage of an element in a compound, so is equal to, we can write mass of the element by mass of the compound. Okay, mass of the compound. We are calculating percentage means always we do the percentage calculation means 100 parts to calculate this term. For example, in terms of marks we get 80% marks, 90% marks means so whatever the marks we calculate them for 100 parts. 100 parts ki calculate this term. Here also we can mass, in terms of mass lo calculate this term. The 100% ki 100 ki calculate this term. So 100 parts ki how many parts are present? The total mass 100 parts anukunte dantlo how many parts of the element is present in terms of mass. So this is taken as the formula for the problem. Mass of an element, mass of an element in a particular compound is equal to mass of the element by mass of the compound into 100. Here mass of the element by mass of the compound. So generally for a normal compound, mass of the element means so how many atoms are present in it into its atomic weight. If for example, see the problem that so what is the, calculate the percentage composition of see the problem. Calculate the percentage composition hydrogen and oxygen in water. Okay, so already we have the formula. So let's calculate. First we calculate the percentage composition of hydrogen. So we are calculating all things in terms of mass. That's why simply we can write the mass percentage. Okay, so mass percentage of hydrogen equal. What is the mass of hydrogen? So in H2 water formula H2. In H2 what is the total mass? And if no specific mass is given, we need to take molar mass. To one hydrogen carries 1. Okay, that is equal 18. So hydrogen is having how many grams? 2 grams. Total mass, that is 18. That is so that is for percentage. We need to calculate for 100 grams. That is 100. So on this calculation we will get approximately 11.18%. So you have to do the calculation yourself. So mass percentage of oxygen. So mass percentage of oxygen. So what is the mass of oxygen? Here how many oxygens are present? 1 oxygen. So 16 grams. What is the total mass? 18 grams. That is 100. So on this particular calculation we will get 88.79%. Simply only 2 elements are present here. Hydrogen and oxygen undi kada. So already oxygen percentage, hydrogen percentage 11.18 and తెలుసు. So remaining 100 minus 11.18 చేసిన we will get the 88.79%. Okay. Next we see one more problem. So there is a many number of problems are there. So based on percentage composition. See one more problem that so calculate the percentage composition of all elements. All elements in the following compounds. So the first compound is given, that is a blue vitriol. So blue vitriol, we need to calculate the percentage of all elements. First, so what is mean by blue vitriol? So vitriol means generally what is the word vitriol used to indicate the sulfates. Okay, all vitriol మన blue vitriol, green vitriol, different vitriols and the names, common names లో వస్తాయి మనకి. Okay, so common names. So vitriol అంటే sulfate indicate చేస్తే ఇక్కడ blue vitriol means copper sulfate. Okay, copper sulfate indicate చేసేది blue vitriol. So it's generally it's in blue color. The color of the solution is blue color. That's why it is a blue vitriol. Generally the vitriol word is used for sulfates. So we need to know the formula of blue vitriol is pentahydrated. This is 5 H2 molecules are present. So pentahydrated copper sulfate. Here we need to calculate the percentage of copper, sulfur, oxygen, hydrogen. How many types of elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. All oxygen. So first, if we calculate the mass percentage of copper, okay, mass percentage of copper. So how much copper is present here? How many coppers? Only one copper. One copper, that is 63.5 by. What is the mass of total compound? Total compound mass, find out this important one. So copper, we calculate it now, 63.5. For sulfur, how much? It is 32. Oxygens, how many are there? 4. 4 oxygens means each oxygen carries 16. Okay, 64. Then how many hydrogens? 5 to the 10 hydrogens. 10. Again, how many oxygens are there? 5 oxygens are there. 16, 5. Okay, so finally you got how much? So totally 249.5. So again we need to do the calculation. So on this calculation we will get 25.45. The calculation, this multiplication, divides, you need to do yourself. On this calculation you will get 25.45% of copper. Next we calculate mass percentage of sulfur. Sulfur, what is one sulfur is present? One sulfur into total how many grams? 32. Its atomic weight. By total means 249.5. So that is into 100. So on this calculation, so that equals to 12.82%. You have to do the calculations in rough. Okay, 12.82%. Next, again one more element. Oxygen is there, hydrogen is there. You have to do this calculation of molecular weight also at right side. Okay, it's compulsory. Let's calculate the mass percentage of oxygen. Mass percentage of oxygen. So mass percentage of oxygen equal, what is the mass of oxygen? Here how many oxygens are present totally? Here 4 oxygens, here 64. Again 5 oxygens. So total 9 oxygens are there. So 9 oxygens. So what is the total mass? Total mass becomes for oxygen is so 160. So we can. So 160 means it's approximately 144. 144 because total 9 oxygens are present. 144, that is 249.5. Again, on this total calculation, we will get 57.71%. Next, the remaining one, mass percentage of what? Remaining which element? Hydrogen. Okay, mass percentage of hydrogen equal to, how many hydrogens are there? 10 hydrogens means 10 grams. 10 hydrogens, 10 grams. Okay. So by same 249.5 into 100. So on further calculation we will get 4.04%. Okay. So this is the mass percentage of hydrogen. Just here we need to calculate how many atoms are present. How many atoms are present into its molecular weight. So copper 1 kabatti 1 into 63.5. Sulfur 1 kabatti 1 into 32. Here oxygens 4, ikkada 5. 9 oxygens kabatti 9 into 16. Means a particular element mass by total mass of the compound into 100. So 100 minus the remaining 3 chesta, we will get the 4.04%. Okay. But here important is the calculations are important. So next, the same problem, one more compound is given, that is green vitriol. Okay. Green vitriol. So green vitriol means, so only we know that the common names we give in the list. In the last year we give in the list, the ferrous sulfate again. So 7H2. This is called green vitriol. Same, the color of ferrous sulfate. So heptahydrated ferrous sulfate salt color is it's a light green color. Okay, not dark green, just very light green color. That's why it is called green vitriol. Again here how many elements are there? Iron, sulfur, oxygen, hydrogen. So we need to calculate the percentage of all elements. First calculate the mass percentage of iron. So how many irons are there? Only one iron. So what is atomic weight of iron? 56. Means to do this mole concept chapter problems, the problems are looking very easy. But what is the thing is we need to know the formulas of all ions and atomic numbers. Okay, next different common names. Okay, so chala concepts sambandhinchina compound names. So one idea untene we are able to do this type of problems. General problems are easy, but the things to remember are many things are there. So even we need to calculate the molecular weight. We must know the atomic weights. So total what is 56 iron. Sulfur how much? 32. Oxygens how many are there? total 4, here 7, okay, 11 oxygens means 11 into 16, that is 176, 7 hydrogens, 7 to the 14, sorry, 14 hydrogens. What is the total mass? Next, 10, 12, 18, 3, 6, 9. So, okay, just wait. Okay, here we get how much? 17, here 2. Right, 278. We need to know the atomic weights of all elements. That is 278, the percentage. So finally we get how much on this particular calculation. So approximately we get 20.1 percentage. Next, calculate the mass percentage, or we can write the percentage composition. Mass percentage of sulfur. Okay, what is the, how many sulfurs are there? One sulfur, 1 into 32 by, so total means just now we calculate 278 into 100. Again on this calculation we will get 11.5%. Next, what are the remaining? Mass percentage of oxygen. So how many oxygens are there? 4, 7, 11 oxygen. Total oxygen how much? That is 176. 176 by total 278. So maximum percentage for oxygen. So again on this calculation we will get just wait. So 63.3 percentage. Next, remaining for hydrogen. So for hydrogen we can do 100 minus 63.3 plus 11.5 and plus 20.1. But then the calculation also becomes very easy. Okay, because it is for hydrogen, calculation is also easy. Because there is how many hydrogens are exactly 14 hydrogens are there. 14. Total mass 278 into 100. So on this calculation we will get 5%, approximately 5%. So next let's see the one more compound given, that is a white vitriol. White vitriol. Again, vitriol means what type of compound? Sulfate compound. So white vitriol's formula is it's a zinc sulfate salt. That is a hydrated salt. Generally hydrated salts are colored salts. Okay. So pentahydrated zinc sulfate is present in white color. So white color is also treated as a colorless. So now we need to calculate the mass percentage of all compounds, all atoms, sorry. So zinc, sulfur, oxygen and hydrogen. So first see the mass percentage of zinc. Okay, zinc. What is the atomic weight of zinc? 65.4, or the exact value means 65.37 by, what is the total atomic weight? What is the total molecular weight? So we calculate it. Okay, 65.37 for sulfur, how much? That is 32. how many hydrogens or oxygens? There are 4 and 5, 9 oxygens are there. Okay, so how many hydrogens are there? There are 10 hydrogens. Okay. Next, how many oxygens are there? 9. 9 means already we done. So 144 on this total calculation. It's 4, 11, 5, 6, 12, 15. Okay. It is 251.37. So the calculation of molecular weight also very important. That is 251.37. So on this further calculation, so we will get this weight 26%. Next calculation. So the mass percentage of again use sulfur. So all vitriol, so sulfur is a common because the sulfates ke manam vitriol name istam. So common names flow. There is sulfur. One sulfur is there. There is 32. So 251.37. Again 100. So again on this calculation, approximately it's got 12.7%. So next again mass. So mass percentage of oxygen. So what is oxygen? How much mass of oxygen? 144. Okay, means we can write all 16 into 9 separately here also. Okay, so 9 oxygens are there, each oxygen carries 16. Okay, 144, that is 251.37. Okay, again on this calculation, again here also percentage of the oxygen is highest, is 57.2%. Like the last one, the mass percentage of hydrogen. How many hydrogen? 10 hydrogens. That's simple. 10. 10 hydrogens each carries 1 gram. 251.37. 200. So on this calculation, again here also percentage of hydrogen very less. There is 4.01. So even it contains 10 hydrogens. The mass of hydrogen is only 1 atom, 1 gram gravity. In all this calculation, we are getting a less value for hydrogen. So next compound is given, that is ethanol. Ethanol. So ethanol. So ethanol means its common name is generally ethyl alcohol. Its common name is ethyl alcohol. This formula is C2H5OH. It's a very common formula. We need to remember always about this. Okay. So again we have to calculate the mass percentage of all compounds. So the mass percentage of what? First we see the carbon. Okay. So how many carbons are there? There are 2 carbons. 2 carbons means how many grams? 24 grams. But what is the total mass? So here approximately we get carbon 24. 2 carbons, 24, 6 hydrogens. Okay, 6. Oxygen how much? 1. Okay, that is 46. Okay, so 46 into 100. So on this calculation we will get approximate 52.14. Just remembering the formulas. and the atomic weights, these calculations are only important. So the formula is simple here. In the mass percentage of let's go for hydrogen. The hydrogen, how many? 6 means 6 grams. What is 6? You can do calculation in your own. Here with 13.13. Like 100 minus, you can do that, but the calculations also can make that oxygen. Oxygen, how many? Only one oxygen. 16 by 46 into 100. So finally we will get 34.73 approximate. So we are getting here, we are giving approximate answers. You can do yourself. I will write the perfect calculation. Do your own values also. Next, one more important is given, that is Morse salt. So the naming is also very important. Morse salt. It's a common name of a salt which is known as ferrous ammonium sulfate. It is also known as ferrous ammonium sulfate. Okay, it's a common name. Its trivial name is Morse salt. So what is formula? So ammonium sulfate and ferrous sulfate and H2Os. Okay, we need to calculate. We have many compounds, many elements are present. How many? Nitrogen is there, hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen, iron. So we need to calculate the percentage of all compounds, all atoms. Sorry, not percentage of all atoms. First, we calculate the mass percentage of nitrogen. So how many nitrogens are there? And take into only 2 nitrogens. Each nitrogen carries how much? 14. Okay, means 2 nitrogen 28 by molar mass. So what is the molar mass? That's important one. See here, 2 nitrogens means so 28. How many hydrogens totally? 4 to the 8. 8, 12. Okay, 20 hydrogens. Like how many sulfurs? Here 1 sulfur, here 1 sulfur. Okay, 32, 32. Okay, 64. Next one iron. Iron 56. The remaining oxygen here 4 oxygens. 4, 8, 6. Okay, 14. So 14 oxygens means 14. Each carries how much? 16. Means 14 into how much? 16. That is 224. And finally we will get how much? 22, 4, 9, 10, 15. Okay, Morse salt. So in these, for these compounds in exams it becomes very time taking process to calculate the total molar mass. So it's become easy to remember the molar mass of different compounds. And so the given compounds in our book is, they are very important compounds. So for these compounds you need to remember the molar mass. For example, Morse salt, simply remember 392. Okay. For example, glucose 180. Next, sucrose approximately 390 something we will get. Okay, I think 342 we will get for sucrose. Okay, So again on this calculation we will get 7.14 percentage. Next, mass percentage of hydrogen. How many hydrogens are there? Okay, 20. Okay, total 20 hydrogens. Each is carrying 1 gram. That is total 20 into 1. 392 into 100. Okay, so 2000 by 390, 400. Approximately we will get to 5%. So again, mass percentage of sulfur. How many sulfur here? 2 sulfur. E sulfate. Total 32, 32, 64. Approximately 20 percentage. Nearly 20. That is 16.32 percentage. Next, last but one. So the mass percentage of iron. Iron how much? Only one iron is there, 56. %. So in exam generally they don't give the formulas, they just give the Mohs salt. So you need to remember the formula, or at least you need to remember the direct molecular weight. So if even you remember the molecular weight, it is compulsory, it is always useful to remember the formula. The class 1 mass percentage of what is element remaining? Mass percentage of oxygen we have not done. So oxygen how much? 224. So here also oxygen is getting maximum percentage. Okay. Next. So calculate the mass percentage of elements in the following compounds. Just to calculate these questions. Okay. So in carbon dioxide, calculate percentage of carbon and oxygen. We are giving simple questions. Already we done big examples. You have to do at least a simple example. That is sulfur dioxide. Okay, sulfur dioxide. Already water completed. Next, in ammonia, what is the percentage of nitrogen and hydrogen? These are the general examples. In methane, what is the carbon percentage, hydrogen percentage? Next, one more is there, important one. Ammonia completed. Alcohol is also completed. HCl. So complete these problems also.